What up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 12 Pro and Max. This works on all three models. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you then can release. Continue to hold. Alright, you can now let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below saying thank you, that you appreciate me, and I'm the best person in the world. If you don't do that, your internet's going to go out for a year. And when it does, you'll remember me. There you guys go.